right. Here we go. Morning, morning. Good morning. Bon matin. All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to another live trading session. Franglish live trading session. Yes, we'll be bouncing from French to English. Sorry, I'm a little late. I was running an update for my computer, and yep. So now we're ready to rock. So, good morning, Nuno. Good morning, Jasmeet. I don't know if I screwed up the name. I'm sorry. Good morning, Michelle. All right. So this is something I did yesterday. This is my zone from yesterday when we did Forex talk over beer. So it looked like those zones got respected, came up above here. And I was saying actually, if we do have if we're came up over here and we have a break of the zone in the retest, a buy can work. And yeah, I mean, if you did trigger that, this was around midnight though. So, but yeah, it went to 27 pips. So, but this thing would have been very close to stop you out or maybe stop you out. So I don't know, but now it's stuck in the range. So now anyways, let's delete all this. Let's because the Asian session is tricky, man. That's why I don't trade it. So let's remove all of this and start from fresh. Donc, bon matin à tous, bienvenue. C'est une autre session de trading en direct. Donc, je n'ai pas pour vous poser vos questions ou envoyer vos charts. Vous avez tout simplement à cliquer sur le bouton de la caméra en haut à droite. Vous allez cliquer sur Copy Link et vous allez effacer la première partie du lien. Vous allez seulement garder la partie avec la barre oblique, le X, jusqu'à la fin. So, guys, if you want to share your chart, the only thing you got to do is click on this copy link chart thing on the top right camera button on TradingView, and you're going to paste only the end of the link, which is the backslash with the X to the end. All right. So now let's start from the monthly time frame on GJ. And if you guys can take a look at my watch list here on TradingView, there's a change. And I will challenge you to find that change.
Fucking GA, man.
GA just went out in the garbage, right?
Fuck this shit.
So GA moved down, no more highlighting. GN moved up.
Ooh,
Yeah,
GN.
that is something I talked about at Forex talk over beer. It's something I've been not telling anyone, but I was backtesting GN for the past 3 months, 2 months and a half, maybe. So we'll see how it goes. I didn't execute anything yet on it, so we'll see. All right, so now let's take a look at the monthly. So monthly is pushing up, came down. Now we're retracing up. So nothing really changed since Tuesday about that monthly candle. Donc il n'y a rien qui a vraiment changé sur cette chandelle-là du mois là, depuis qu'on s'est vu mardi. Donc, on est dans la chandelle retrace, on a tapé le QP majeur qui est là et on a retracé vers le haut. Si on regarde sur le weekly, si on regarde sur le weekly, on respecte le support de la semaine. Donc, c'est ça qui arrive, c'est qu'on est arrivé en bas et on a rejeté carrément le support ici qu'on avait à notre gauche sur le support de la semaine et on commence à pousser vers le haut. So what happened here on this weekly time frame is we literally tapped into this weekly support and rejected it. So now we're pushing back up, but we are still, in that downtrend retracement here on the weekly time frame, right? So still got to be careful. The daily, if you look at the daily now, look, every time we went to that level, if you see, you got here, here, and here. So this is 3 times exactly at the same daily support that got rejected. All right, and we can almost say 4 because it's just right below, but 3 the exact same level. Okay, so this was kind of expected when price came down over here. So now we're starting pushing up. We now broke this daily resistance here. So now it looked like we're going to be able to continue up. I mean, we broke above this major QP, so technically we should go visit this next major QP right here. I mean, yeah, okay, so that's good. Look, let me do this in French. Donc, sur le chart de la journée. Donc, si on regarde ça, ce que je mentionnais, c'est qu'il y a au moins une fois, 2 fois et 3 fois. Les 3 fois qu'on est venu, qu'on est parti d'en haut, qu'on ait atteint ce support, ben pas ce support, mais pardon, ce niveau-ci, on a rejeté vers le haut. Même chose ici, on a rejeté, on a rejeté. Okay? Donc, c'était quand même attendu qu'on fasse exactement la même chose à cet endroit-là. Maintenant qu'on a brisé le QP majeur ici, il y a des grosses chances, des grosses probabilités qu'on aille visiter le prochain QP majeur à ce niveau-ci. Surtout que maintenant, on a brisé la résistance qui était ici, qui était à ce QP majeur-là. Est-ce qu'on va avoir un bris et un test à nouveau sur le daily? Peut-être. So now let's take a look at the 4 hour. What is the 4 hour giving us? So now, if you look at this, I mean, 4 hours been trending to the downside for a little while, since, since May almost. Yeah, since May. So since May, the 4 hour has been trending down. I mean, if you look here, I mean, we came down here, we did some high lows, lower lows, high lows, lower lows, high lows, lower lows. This one respected this one, so still high lows. I mean, this one was higher than this one, so this was a confusion. I remember that. And after that, we start again, do the same thing. Now we broke this one, we came down. Yeah, this was confusion again, and boom, we came down here. So now we are breaking this high right now, this previous high on the 4 hours. All right, so now we're breaking the structure once again. So is that the good timing now to push up? I mean, it would make sense. It would make sense, especially that the daily time frame rejected that major support. Now we're ready to push back up. We definitely broke this structure now. So I mean, the next area to visit will be 152,400 on the 4 hour time frame, right? So now let's do our zone. Donc, ce que j'ai expliqué, c'est jusqu'à maintenant, on avait respecté la structure à la baisse. On avait brisé à quelques fois et on est revenu à la baisse. Cette fois-ci, on vient de le briser une fois de plus en 4 heures. Est-ce que ce serait le bon moment, en fait, pour continuer vers le haut? Il y a des grosses chances. Surtout que le support en journalier a été respecté et on a repoussé quand même très, très fort suite à ça. So now let's do our zone. Donc maintenant, on va faire nos zones sur les 4 heures. So this is the zone that just got broken, right? So this one. So I like to do this. What I like to do is get the replay challenge. Not replay challenge, but the replay mode. So what I like to do is do my zone based on what happened before and understand the story before doing my new zone. So looking at this would have been my zone. And now I want to see what happened, right? So basically, man, this freaking thing on TradingView pissed me off, man. What the fuck is this arrow? So annoying. So nice. So let's do that again. So what you want to do is understand what happened. So basically, price was in a range. Price finally broke that range. This next zone was right here, this was the trade from yesterday, right? This was my exit, by the way, on my trade, and the reason why it's because there was resistance here, and it continued up, came down and retest the zone, retest again, and now we're right there. So I think this zone is still valid, right? So we're going to keep this zone, even if we can adjust it right here. I don't think it's going to make a big change. We're going to go take a look on the lower time frame. if we need to adjust it or not. Okay, but I think the 250 QP is actually our zone anyways, which can be this one right here. All right, perfect. So now let's take a look at what we got after that. We got this mini zone here. The price got rejected, and we got a future target right here. All right, so donc ça c'est nos zones qu'on a sur le 4 heures. Donc ce que j'expliquais, c'est que j'aime toujours faire mes zones avec ce qui est arrivé avant pour comprendre l'histoire. Parce que si tu fais pas cette zone-ci qui était là avant, tu comprends pas que tu as fait un bris et un test à nouveau. OK? Donc là, on a un break and retest sur le 4 heures. Now looking at H1, if you look at H1, now we can adjust our zone a little bit. H1 is just rangy, right? So let's adjust this right here. All right. So we're just ranging in the, oops, we're just ranging in this area. So now we can move this to here. And here we go. And this is going to be for future. Actually, we don't need that. Let's take a look at 1 hour here to the left. Let's delete this. All right, so we got another zone of problem here to the left, right here, which is not super clean. And another one here. So not super clean here. How many pips is that? Yeah, a big 15 pips. So of course it will be cleaner above the zone. Like above the zone, you can have at least 25, 30 pips, I guess. Yeah, 30 pips. Actually, more than 30 pips. Yeah, 30, 35-ish, right? Bonjour, Yuva. Bonjour, bonjour. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in on YouTube. If you're on Zoom, go on YouTube, smash that like button. All right, so now let's take a look at this. What else we got here? That's it. Let's take a look at 30-minute. Same zone almost. Let's, yeah, we can adjust this right here. That would make sense. And this one. All right. I think that will do it. Perfect. Let's establish that this is shit.
Again.
So basically, I want to see something above the zone right here. I want to see a break and retest here. The problem is if we break, depends. If we do break this consolidation zone here with timing with let's say NYSE or London, I would be willing to grab a buy here with the dogtail setup, maybe to expect price to break this zone with volume. But if not, I'm going to wait to be above this zone. And once again, to the downside, same idea. So here we got a 25 pip range. Because I mean, there's 25 pips between each quarter points, right? And perfect. All right, so this is the plan for GJ. Easy peasy. Let's go. All right, so now let's go take a look at gold. So gold 4 hour time, 4 hour gold zone never got respected here. Boom. All right, let's take a look at daily. All right, so daily on gold right now. Okay, all right, so now we're having a problem with this zone here. So let's see now if we do form support here. Let's take a look at the 4 hours once again. So right now, we have the safety net on gold, right? Donc, sur gold, on est maintenant sur le net de sécurité. If we do close this 4 hour like this, nice bullish candle, it would be nice for price to continue up with gold. Let's mark this line right here. I'm going to put it orange, and this is going to be my safety net. Donc, je pense que si on ferme 4 heures ici, comme ça, on devrait avoir un beau retracement vers le haut. If you look at H1, yeah, now H1 is nice. If H1 close above this mini resistance right here, it would make sense for price to continue up. Let's do our zone on 4 hours, right? So let's do this. Let's do that right here. Let's go on 1 hour, adjust this thing right here. That makes sense. If you look, gold came down twice, you know, at this safety net and got rejected. Are we getting now? Are we getting this? That's possible, right? So if we do break this neckline, it's gonna be a nice ride up. But I think if this 1 hour closes like this in 2 minutes, I think it would be a great opportunity for continuation to the upside. Donc je pense que ce serait une bonne continuation pour les achats. Donc si la 1 heure ferme comme ça, we also have on 30 minutes, we also have this double bottom here on 30 minutes. So yeah, and this is the neckline right here. Yeah, so by this 30-minute breaking this this 30-minute high, let's take a look at the 15-minute. You kind of have a break of retest of this neckline. So this 15 minutes is going to close in 40 seconds. So I'm going to backtest that and just paper trade this based on the opening of the next candle in 30 seconds and see how it goes. Take a look at the 5-minute. So this 15-minute needs to stay above this area. All right, so I'm gonna paper trade that just to see if there's something that can work. It's gonna put stuff like around 18 pips, and we're gonna put TP around 36 pips, which is a 2-to-1. Let's take a look if this thing can work. But again, this is a paper trade. We'll see how it goes. All right. All right, let's take a look at GN. Funky stuff. All right, so monthly. So monthly right now, I mean, it's just like been bearish, but we're coming back up. If you look on the monthly time frame, we got this bullish structure, right? So now, I mean, we're coming down here, but we have a bullish structure on the monthly time frame. This monthly rejected previous monthly high and start coming down. So we might see a movement down. Look at this super channel here. I don't trade channel, but I was trying to explain something to a student yesterday about trends, right? So I mean, look, I mean, it actually looked like this one was done in a book. Look at this. I mean, it's just like so perfect. It's just like this is a perfect example of a channel. you know. So I don't trade channel, right? It's just like I was just trying to explain something to someone. And those are not, yeah, I mean, this is just to explain the direction, right? So I don't use those trend lines or channels or whatever the fuck you want to call them. And yeah, but yeah. So anyways, so let's remove that. So basically price is coming down and now rejecting again this this support right here. So I think if you look on the 4 hours now, I mean, if you look here, you got this support here, which is the 97,000 major QP, got respected. And we have this resistance right here on 4 hours. There can be some very nice buy here if we do break above this area. But now, right now, if you look at H4, we're stuck in that range. Yeah, so definitely what you want to see is this to go up. And for sales, I don't know. I would not be looking at sales on this one. Yeah, so that makes sense. Perfect. Excellent. So GA now, freaking biatch, got me out yesterday. So GA, I'm going to be only trading GA if I see something very solid, which is 3 confirmations and more. If not, I'm divorcing GA. Man, lately, just like I had a nice swing trade on GA though, lately, but yeah, lots of fake out recently. Drive me nuts. And right now, just stuck in that stupid range. Donc, ça, on regarde ce que j'ai expliqué sur MGN, parce que j'ai oublié de le faire en français, je m'excuse. Donc, il y avait il y a vraiment une tendance à la hausse, donc c'est pour ça que je vais regarder seulement les achats. On y reviendra, je ferai un petit retour en français. Maintenant, si on regarde GA, donc GA là, est pris vraiment dans un range, une consolidation un petit peu stupide. Donc, si tu regardes sur le chart du mois, donc si on regarde sur le chart du mois, on retrace vers le bas. On avait brisé le haut précédent, on a respecté le bas précédent. Techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut. On a le champ libre complètement à gauche, mais pour X, Y, Z raison, on retrace vers le bas actuellement. Parce qu'il n'y a rien à notre gauche qui nous empêche de continuer vraiment, spécialement sur le chart du mois ou le weekly. So if you look at the monthly time frame right now on GA, I mean, we did broke previous high, respected previous low, so technically we should continue up, especially that we got clean traffic to the left side, but for XYZ reason, I don't know, we are coming back down. So now looking at the weekly, same idea, we got clean traffic. We respected previous high though on the weekly, still respected previous low. So we'll see what happened with this weekly candle. We have 2 days left in this candle. It looked like we're going to be closing bearish. So maybe we're going to have a retracement because I mean, GA right now have been trending up since like January, you know, since January, we're just creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, you know, and this is on the weekly time frame. So we might now see a retracement down, form support to continue up. So that's a good possibility. Donc, il y a vraiment une possibilité pour que le prix maintenant vienne vers le bas, forme un support pour aller retester le nouveau sommet. Oh, by the way, this gap never got filled. This is a gap that happened in May. You know, this gap never got filled yet. I kept that zone since then because, I mean, at one time, price going to have to come down and fill this gap. Because look, here there was a huge gap, got filled. Gap got filled. You know, every time there's a gap gets filled, right? This one, didn't get filled. All right, let's take a look at the daily. All right, so let's take a look here on the daily time frame. All right, so daily now is at the golden zone. Didn't test the safety net yet, but we're still in that golden zone. So if we do form support here on the daily, I mean, we have a doji bullish candle here, but for me, it's kind of, not much. But I would like to see like a nice bullish candle on the daily. And yes, there can be some nice buys now for G at that time. Donc, si on ferme à la hausse ici avec une belle bougie sur le journalier, ben on aurait des grosses chances de pousser vers le haut par après. Celle-ci, pour moi, c'est une chandelle que je ne m'occupe pas. Donc, si on regarde ici sur le 4 heures, on a un double bas. Donc, si on regarde ici, boum, on a notre double bas. Et là, on essaie de briser cette neckline-là pour avoir la confirmation qu'on va continuer vers le haut. Mais là, on a rejeté cette confirmation-là. Donc, il faut attendre de voir. So far, man, we rejected this neckline on the double bottom formation here for reversal right here at 89,000. Would be a very nice spot here for reversals, by the way. Right at the major QP, right at the golden zone and daily time frame. It would make sense, right? It would make sense. And if you look here on the 4-hour time frame, because we have do we have a retracement here? Yeah, we've got a retracement here. So right now we're playing on that safety net. So we're playing on that safety net on the H4 level. So now let's do our zone. I mean, this resistance got respected. This support got respected. And next step is somewhere around there. Right? Perfect. Let's take a look at H1. We're just rangy. Perfect. So what you want to see now is, of course, break and retest here, especially when you're in consolidation zone. I don't take breakout cancel. I wait for break and retest or dogtail setup. And yeah, I would definitely be looking at buys here. But if you go to the downside, if you break 89,000, we got this sell here yesterday. I think was it yesterday? Yeah, we got a nice sell here, but it came back straight in range right after. So it was a little fake out here to the downside. So I would definitely wait for a nice break and retest here. Something solid. Oops, what the perfect. All right. What happened?
Ça pop de partout.
Oh,
Ding,
that's
ding.
odd. This is how you cook when you have no gas. Holy. Damn. Rocket stove. That's it. All right, guys. So let's see. I think we went through everything I wanted to go. So guys, if you have charts, send it away. Now I'm going to start looking at charts. Let's start with Malik. Malik's chart here. All right, we got GJ, 1 hour. H4 retracement, golden zone. Okay. Sells below, buys above. Buys above 151.447 and sells under 161. Let's see, 447. 447. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah.
Pas mal
Yeah.
ça.
The only thing is this area here. It's it's a little tight above here. But yeah, it depends on the timing.
Moi, j'ai mis ma zone sur le Le dernier petit lot, là. Ici.
Celle-là? Ah, celle-là? C'est pas celle-là, il est un fake out, right?
Ouais.
Ça, c'est ta zone. Quand tu regardes sur là.
Mais si tu lis l'histoire comme du monde, là, on a créé cette wick-là avant de créer ça. Fait que ce support-là rejette la wick field ici qui fait cette zone-là, genre. Je sais pas si tu catches. On a fait résistance ici en premier, après ça, on a
Ouais.
fait wick en deuxième, on a wick field en troisième, on a support en quatrième, puis là, on s'en va là en cinquième.
Fait que dans le fond, ta zone est ici. Right? Parce que tu
Ouais,
l'as.
ben, j'en ai pas. Dans le fond, c'est mon quarter point, ma zone, là. C'est tout
Ouais,
fait.
c'est ça. Parce que, tu sais, mettons, quand tu es arrivé à Asian Session, là, ça, c'était ta zone. Tu vois, ça,
Ouais,
que
ouais, ouais.
là, ça, c'était ta consolidation. Tu as un
Mhm.
bris de ta consolidation. Tu as rejeté ta consolidation, tu es revenu dans le range. Right?
Ouais, ok. Smart.
Fait que je pense que ça ferait du sens.
Mhm.
Puis, tu sais, oui, tu peux te mettre à un niveau là, mais oui, tu as raison, 2,50 pourrait être carrément ta zone.
Ouais.
Et rendu là,
C'est pas mal à la même place.
c'est ça. Mais tu sais,
Rendu là, on n'a pas plus d'espace.
non, c'est ça, rendu là, c'est de la mort. Mais ouais, effectivement. This move is
Aussi.
considered this move as a fake out and came back up. So yeah,
Asian, man.
fucking Asian session.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. Gold just hit plus 10 pips, took the trade. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's go. So love Kindles, congrats. So this was a little trade idea here on gold, and someone triggered it,
Another one.
made money out of it. So congrats, congrats. Yeah, so now this gold trade is running 19 pips. 19 pips. So probably at this area, like a 1-to-1, I'll be closing probably like 50%, put stop and break even, and let the rest run. Close another 50% of this TP and let the runner run, you know. So we'll see. Nice. Man, so love candles. Hopefully you smash that like button, man.
Mm-hmm.
Making money for free. Jesus. Jeez. All right, let's put some music now. Let's put some music. Free update. Free upbeat. Free upbeat. The last one we used was pretty okay.
Yep.
Where was it? Dun, 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 dun. Where is it? Was it this one? No, not this one. This one maybe? All right, YouTube, let me know if the music's too loud. Is it okay? Mark sur Zoom?
Ah, c'est chill. C'est discret.
Non, mais je peux le monter un peu. Oh, not this one. Ça va, ça?
Ouais. C'est posé.
Can you guys on YouTube hear the music? Okay, perfect. I forgot there's a huge delay, so. All right, so once again, look at this. GJ came down here, this fake out area, and reject the same area. Man, you guys are slow today. No charts. We got one chart from Malik. YouTube, no chart yet. What's up with that? If I was awake here for GN, not awake, but watching the chart, I would be triggered probably an attempt on swing trade on the opening of this 4 hour. Now price will be on a drawdown, expecting price to respect the support and continue up. What is your spread on GN? Let me tell you.
Two pips.
Why is my window disappear? Yeah, right now it's 3 pips. That's why when I backlisted GN, it was mostly for swing trade. Hold on, wait a second. This is not the right chart. Like I have a blank chart on GN right now and price like 146. This doesn't make sense at all. Wait a second. On my MT4, here we go. Finally got it. Yeah, 3 pips. Oh shit, where's my GG chart now? Really? GG, where are you? Here. Oh, no, no, no. This is so stupid. God damn. So stupid. Gotta do my 10 plates. I hate MT4, man. MT4, MT5, all the same crap. Oh, at least my magic key's still there. Right. Man, gotta redo all my settings. God damn, that sucks. TP that will put distance from entry. What? When partial TP it. Partial TP distance. Let's see. TP level put distance from entry on what? Sorry guys, I'm just redoing my settings on Magic Key. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so that looks good. The only thing I'm missing is Move stop to 0.5 pips. When it hit with a break even. Where is it? Want to do it for no. Counter. Oh, pips in profit when SL moved to entry 0.5. There we go. Oh no, that doesn't make sense. So that pips in profit when SL moved at entry. Does that mean when price
Quand
is
tu te mets à
like...
break-even, tu veux que ton stop-là soit direct à ton entrée ou genre un pip en profit
Ah, ok, c'est ça, ok.
ou
So
0.5.
0.5. There you go. Wow.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
How are you, Sasha?
Good,
How's
you?
everybody? How are you, Mark?
Going good. As always.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at Forex Factory. Well, actually, someone mentioned GDP news for USD today. Gold reaction? Yeah, it must be. Yeah, there's a big chance going to react. Yes, at 8:30. What? Interesting. Very interesting. It's like a NAS 100. This is 12 cryptos in one. GTI 12. Okay. All right. And are we gonna get another slow session?
Of course we are.
Man, I'm about to stream only like NYC Open now. Just like,
8h30, on commence ça.
ouais, c'est ça.
Man, oh man.
Hi Sasha, no Zoom link today sent in the Telegram group. No, this was only for 1 week. This was a special thing. We might be doing it in the future, but this when it happened, you want to take advantage because this is only like special because the Zoom is specifically for students. It just passed week. Yeah, exactly. It was just for last week or the week before. I can't remember. Marc-Olivier Roy, gold buys. Oh, nice, 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 nice. So gold would be nice if gold closed like this, nice engulfing H4. And on the next candle, which is around 9 a.m., when you break the high, it's going to be mostly this H4 resistance, expecting volume to push it up to the next resistance here on the H4. Yeah, that would be good. Which also going to be, if I look, which is also going to be like the double bottom neckline. Oh. And gold trade is stop at break even. So 50% got those at 20 pips and the rest at break even. This is a pretty good idea. Ding. All right, so this 30-minute candle closed like what, 6 minutes ago? It closed bearish, nice rejection to the downside. This same area that we got faked out here or earlier around like 11 p.m. Eastern. Got a fake out here, came back in a range. Another wick came down to this area. So this now came down to the same area and got rejected. So now we're back in that range. But I mean here there's nothing you want to do. There's only like 12 pips before this, 14 pips before that, just doesn't make sense. For me, gold is bearish, guys, but now still ranging. Okay, this is Simon. Let's see.
Because
Man, I
these
see
red
gold.
lines,
What?
these red lines that I draw on the chart, this I shared on this code. These are the yesterday open and close of the candle. So for the previous day candle. So on gold, you need a close below 1782.
Yeah.
And yeah, if you want to stay to continue bearish.
Yeah, I gotta be under the zone here. This is the 4-hour support. So for sales, you want to break that 4-hour support. Well, I mean, it's not support yet, because if this 4-hour flip, there's no support there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, there's a H1 support though. So H1 support is being respected twice.
Exactly, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, which is also the safety net on the gold fib.
Yeah.
If you do break this zone, you can have a quick scalp to this zone right here.
Yeah, it's a bit dangerous. Just you need the break below 1782. This long wick, you see the long wick to the left.
Yeah.
Below it. Yeah, because it's a rejection area, so the price may reject there and continue up again.
Hey man, c'est déjà jeudi, ça n'a pas de bon sens comment ça va vite. Hein.
Jeudi, puis ça n'a pas l'air d'être un jour de paye à date. Là.
Hey man, j'ai une chier d'affaires à faire. Là. J'y pense, j'ai mal à la tête.
Oh, pas moi.
J'aimerais ça être dessinateur de maison.
Ah, c'est relax, mon gars.
Oh boy. C'est pas trop stressant?
Ouais, c'est stressant parce que.
Des deadlines à respecter,
Des
tout ça.
délais, puis ouais. Oh, ouais.
Ouais.
Des affaires, t'es en chantier, t'as pas pensé à des trucs, puis là, ça passe plus, puis ouais.
Okay.
Tu fais un escalier, puis là, t'arrives sur le chantier, puis là, t'as pas pensé à des trucs, fait que là, tu te pètes la tête, t'es comme, ah, c'est que je suis cave. Ouais, been there, done that.
Man, can we have market just trending? Like, fuck those constellations, oh man. Seriously. Like, is there anything trending right now?
Mon manque de sommeil.
EuroCAD.
Eurocad, Euro Suisse.
The fuck? USD CAD. USD CAD is in a massive range. Vacation money still doing good. Yeah, this is my buys here on USD CAD, and those are not trades. They are just where I bought some USD for my vacation. So I call it my vacation money. Vacation money is doing money.
Vacation.
Uh-oh. Come on, XRP. What's up with that? What's up with that, XRP? Come on, stop.
Ouais, on a un gros retrace sur la crypto aujourd'hui, man. BTC, moins 2K, je pense.
No, we need to go back. Man, you guys are quiet, man. No questions, no charts. What's going on? I feel like I'm muted or something.
No, we can hear you, man.
Look at this
Another
thing.
boring day.
Look at this gold. Came down just to stop me out and break even, and bam. Bastard. Yeah, another boring day. Second paintball tournament Saturday. Can't wait. Took second place on the first one. And now I really wanted to get that first place, man. Yeah, it's gonna be at Mirabel Paintball. So if anyone close to Mirabel Saturday, come see us. C'est sûr qu'il y en a dans le coin de Blainville, là, Laval, Mirabel, Mont-Laurier, Mirabel, ça se fait bien, Marc?
Ça se fait en 1h30.
Oh, tu vois? Look at this rejection now.
Yeah.
Goal.
Ça fait du gaz dans le Rocket. Là.
Look at this bitch. Took me out to break even. Bam. You bitch. Wow. So now I think if this candle breaks the high right here, you should expect some push up with this liquidity grab here. So price came down from that tail, pick up some more orders. So if we do break the high here, it should push up to this zone at least, you know. There you go. Did they break? No, not yet. Okay. Oh, it's rejecting. It doesn't want to break.
Hey man, je regarde les charts, je pense que mon ordi est gelé, mais non, c'est juste parce qu'il se passe rien.
Ouais, c'est ça. Still gonna break. Oops. Hey, what's up, guys? Some new people just joined in, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and you give it a like. So now we're basically waiting for price to do something because I mean it's so boring right now. I mean GJ is in a massive range on the 30-minute time frame, 1 hour. You know, it's just like rangy. So just waiting for something to happen here. I'm not going to be taking any trades in this area. For gold, I did a paper trade that went to 20 pips winner and stopped me out at break even here. So it was a nice little win here. And except that, I mean, I'm taking an eye on GN, see maybe maybe a swing idea. We'll see how it goes. GA, not much. I mean, GA is coming into this golden zone right now on the 1 hour. If it does form support around this area on H1, that would be nice. But again, for me to trade GA, I need a very nice setup, solid setup, because right now I'm not going to take trades on GA if there's some FE setup, right? And gold, I think gold can be a nice opportunity now if this 30 minutes start to break this high. It actually did right now, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it kind of did. But if you want, you can wait for that 15-minute to close above this little zone here for better confirmation. What time is it? 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. It's going to be the H1 close. Exciting close on GJ, guys. Exciting. A big doji. I know this is all you guys wanted. It's you know, that doji candle, man, change everything. I think I'm gonna go full margin. Hell no. Yeah, when this candle is gonna be closed, I think I'm gonna run to the mailbox, see if my free market fuel is there.
Ouais, on va en avoir besoin, je pense.
And I think I'm gonna throw some market fuel on my screen just to make GJ run, you know?
Yup.
Dun, 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 dun. Mm. Crazy stuff happening around the world. So Anil Kumar, you said gold what? Gold what? Max says volume push at London close again. Yeah, probably, man. Once again. Full margin for 0.001 pips. Yeah. Yeah.
Juste assez pour cover la commission, puis après ça, tu sors.
Ouais, c'est ça. All right, 30 seconds. Oh, sheesh. That's going to be an exciting close on GJ. Get ready. Get ready, guys. It's going to be exciting.
Direct en dessous du quarter point, let's go.
Hashtag not. Oh. All right, huge close on GJ. Doji, bearish. So closing right under this 250 QP. So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna come down to major QP? Maybe. Because right now, what we see, what do you guys see right now?
Neckline.
So we have a double top here. And yeah, so basically if we have a nice break and retest here, we can visit this major QP. Yep. Like I don't take impulse entry on breakout candles. So if I miss the move, I miss the move. Especially that if you look left, look at this candle, it came down here. You know, so there's many people who took sales here. So rip those, by the way. Took sales right here on the break of the low right here. And it went to probably like 4 or 5 pips profit, got rejected, and closed back in the range. Let's take a look at gold. Gold closed bearish, forming resistance. And now look like we're gonna have a break and retest on 30 minutes of this neckline. It's either that or we're just gonna melt. But if you look here, We also have a golden zone right here. But this fib is not super valid because, I mean, it's trending down here, right? And the reason why I went for buy is because I had this reversal pattern right on the safety net level. So that was the reason why I actually took that. I mean, paper trade that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go run to the mailbox very quickly, and we'll be back. So let's write be right back. All right, this is so sad. No pre-market fuel in the mailbox. Where's my pre-market fuel? Let's do a story and tag them.
Oh,
You
GG.
also could drink normal fitness booster, right?
What?
I think this whole idea of pre-market fuel, and also there are boosters for gamers now. I mean, it's just the same like for fitness training, you know. To take, because what it's in, you have guarana, you have caffeine, you know.
Yep.
Like in every fitness booster
Mm-hmm.
on the market. But a clever idea.
So we're now live on YouTube, and since it's a boring market, I ran to my mailbox, hoping that my pre-market fuel would be there, but it's not. And look at this, GJ definitely look, GG definitely need pre-market fuel. Definitely need pre-market fuel to start moving. So, oh well. Come on, join us on YouTube. Trade with the pack.
Oh well, it is what it is. 8h23, là, ça va être quel genre de push qu'on va avoir?
Push the merde.
Vieux push. Ah, misère. Je vais me recoucher.
All right. Oh, what happened to the music? There we go. So you see, this is why I don't take, one of the reasons why I don't take impulse entry on breakout candles anymore. I mean, dogtail setup can work. It's still a little early. Like in the past, I was allowing myself to take impulse entry, like starting at around 8 o'clock. But these days, man, volume comes so much later that, I kind of push my time for impulse entry a little bit. But if this 1 hour breaks the low here, this can be nice. Yeah, just before NY open. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. If this one start to break the low here, after rejecting 250, retest 250. Yeah, that can make sense. But also at the same time, I want to be breaking this minor zone too. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Gotta break this minor zone here. Yeah, let's be patient.
Oh, it's breaking almost.
So this is where I got an entry.
Oh. Cowboy, baby. Oh, 8h23, man, c'est live. Là.
823 push, so let's see.
Direct sur
I was a
100.
little late on that entry though. My entry got triggered at 127. Yes, I was a little late here. Well, actually, not that bad. I thought it was lower than that. Hold on, wait a
Ah
second.
non, ça fait du sens. Juste en bas de la wick à gauche.
127? Oh no, I'm late. Yeah, 127 is here. Right, kind of here. Yeah. I wanted an entry like around like 141, but hey, it is what it is. So let's see if we can target this area. 15 pips. Play stop right above here. Oops, right above the wick, which is 274.
Come on, GJ.
Yes, seriously. What is the pattern?
Oh, un pip qui roule, shit.
What? I don't know why I have like 2 indicators here for my pip count. Oh, indicator list. There we go. Delete. And delete. Perfect. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go.
5 pips.
Yeah, 5 to?
Ah non, moi, j'ai pas de sugar.
No, 3 pips.
Vraiment pas mon genre d'entry.
Yeah, I was a little lower than what I wanted, so I'm gonna have to cut my win early. So probably around this major QP. I'm like 2 pips. I wanted an entry right here, so this 1.5. Yeah. All right, so 8:27. So we got 2 minutes left now. 8:28. 2 minutes left for this 30-minute candle. Man, my TP was like at 15 pips. Like, hey, we'll get the fuck out of there. Whoa, wait a second. Partials, we're gonna put partials at, partial is gonna be at 151. One. Yellow, yellow. All right, running six pips now. Halfway to auto break even. So my auto break even is always set at 11 pips.
Is that as a session? Is that a paper trade or did you take the entry?
The what?
Did you take the entry or just paper trading it?
No, I took it.
Okay, I also took it. I was on a call, but I also took it.
Nice.
I'll tell you now. My entry was 151128.
What was it?
151128.
Oh, that's good. Oh, you're the
That
same
big.
entry as me. Yep.
Ooh.
So David, why is the risk reward ratio negative? Usually it's a 1-to-1. It's 15 for 15, but I was late on my entry. Oh, there we go. Auto break even got hit. Perfect. So now you see my risk ratio now is 100%. Here we go. Partial TP got triggered. There we go. Perfect. You see? So
On a-tu des nouvelles à 8h30?
now this is my risk ratio now, you know. So my risk ratio right now is 100%, man. 127. So how about that?
Insane.
So yeah, if price would have coming above, you know, like close to my entry, I will be closing manually, right? Awesome. Awesome. All right. Give a like to the stream, guys. Nice little win here on Thursday, I mean, sorry. And can we get that second partial? I put that second partial at 15 pips. So first partial got triggered. I closed 50%. And I was hoping to grab maybe an extra 2-3 pips here and close another 50%. So looks like it's coming back above.
Ouais, 151, ça risque d'être un...
Yeah, 151 got rejected hard, man. Holy.
Dude,
Right on the dot. See, that's why I put my partial there. Because we know that the major QP can be rejected.
Bon, je vous laisse là-dessus, les copains.
All right, take care, buddy. Take care.
On se revoit demain. Peace.
Yes, sir.
Au revoir, au revoir.
All right, so stop at break even. I mean, at 0.5 pips profit. And that's it. So nice quick win here. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, that's why those QP works. Some people's like, oh man, QP don't work. Fuck yeah, man. Wow, look at this rejection on gold. All right, so if you didn't smash the like button, man, do it so, man. This was 2 wins today. 1 win trade got called here on gold. Some people took it. I know they messaged on YouTube, and this one I personally took it, and I know there's some people took it also. Nice little win here. It went to 12.7 pips profit, and yeah, and rejected right on the dot. Right on the dot. Yeah, my runner got stopped at B also. Because I moved my runner, my auto break even moved my stop loss at 0.5 pips profit. Just gotta, I'm allergic to red, right? So that is why. Maybe if I do this. Shit, I just fuck up my settings on Magic Key again. God damn. I'm gonna have to save that setting. All right, let's do this again. Sucks. Let's see here. It's not time to 5. Oops. After that, this is gonna be. There we go. Let's see. Open cap. There we go. Perfect. All right, setting this back. Okay, so you took an impulse entry? Yes, I did. I did, based on this 30-minute. 30-minute, when 30-minute was breaking this support. This is where I got the entry. It was a little late though. It was a little lower than what I wanted. So that's why I kind of put my partial TP at 12.7 right here. Because it should be like almost 2 pips above. It would be like a 15 pips gain like I usually take. But I know that this major QP can be a problem also. So that's why I put my partial TP right there. Yes. Can you take a look at this idea, please? Oh, no, the link doesn't appear on YouTube. You need to send only the \x to the end of the link. Fed are speaking, yes. How many fingerprints can you add to your door lock at one time? I can add 50 fingerprints on my door lock. Yes. All right, guys, welcome to anyone. So if you just joined, make sure you smash that like button. Number one. Number two, if you didn't subscribe, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So basically, I'm gonna go back over what we just did. Let me put my desk up. I need to stand up. All right, guys, so we're gonna go over what just happened here. So got a little trade here, impulse entry right here at the break of this minor support. I was looking to take it at the break of this H1 low right here, but I was like, I don't like this 30-minute support here. But now looking at it, to be honest, I should have been taking it at the break of this H1 support, which was this H1 low. Yeah, would give me like maybe 2-3 pips more. Yeah, exactly 3.6. So I would have my 15 pips with that trade. So instead we went to 12.7. So which is not bad, but yeah. Let's be right back there. So yeah. And this, if you look at H1, what you got here, you got this. So I knew that if we were breaking this support here on 30-minute, which the neckline, of this double top, and yeah, so I don't trade based on that, but it was a pretty good hint, right? Pretty good hint. The price will come down. We retest this support, and now we're rejecting it. So we'll see. We might just, come back in that range. That's very possible. We'll see how it goes. Or we're going to get a break and retest of this zone. If we do have a break and retest with a nice engulfing bearish candle after that, or a candle coming and breaking this low, probably going to be able to take that sell and aiming this zone right here. So we'll see how it goes. As for gold, gold had a nice little buy this morning on a paper trade. I know there's some people on YouTube who took it. It went to 20 pips profit. And yeah, got stopped at break even after that, and now price is just coming down. And one of the reason is, look at this, you're rejecting the safety net right here on the fib level, and you got a resistance form, so that's why now price is coming down. And there's also some news going on right now. Let's see, not news, calendar. So right now, where are we? Monday, Tuesday. I can only see, whatever. So let's see. Oh, this some bad news here for the US. So technically, I mean, gold should be up, not down. So I guess it's coming down to grab some liquidity and it's going to push back up after. Sketchy. Really sketchy, my friend. Okay. Nice move on gold. Look at this. Wow. Massive. Rages? No, I did enter. Yes, it was a breakout candle with a dovetail setup, and it was 8:30. So it's part of my plan. So I usually don't grab a breakout candle just as a breakout candle, especially not before 8:30. So I was actually waiting for that. This is why I actually didn't grab those, that, you know, all the one before, then took it because it was too early. And yeah, so as you wait for dovetail setup or break and retest. So this one came up first, retest this QP, and came down breaking this support. So yes. But this one was just a minor support, right? So this one was the zone I wanted to make sure we break. This one is a minor one. But yeah, honestly, I mean, you can also take them to break of this low, but the fact that this got rejected here, and here got me a little, you know, not nervous, but more careful. So that's why I waited to break this support. Yeah, man. Good morning, John. Nuno, still no links. I don't see any links. So you guys gotta click on this. Oops, no, sorry. You guys gonna click on this here, right? And let's do this. Let's say that you paste it. Let's say that you paste it like this. God damn. Let's say that you paste it like this on YouTube, it's not gonna work. You need to put just this section, copy, and you paste that right here in the chat, and that should work. Are you still in a GJ cell? Jasmine, I'm gonna let you confirm that. If you look at the screen, there's a pretty big hint there that I'm not in that cell anymore. Auto break even is here. So you see, stop is at break even. So yeah, my runner got stopped, but closed 50% at 12.7 pips. And the reason why I closed only 50%, I was hoping for this wick to wick down maybe a couple pips more. I'm at 15 pips, usually regular partial, but it got rejected right on the dot at 151. So hey, it is what it is. Jobless claim was bad. Tapering is coming soon. Are you still okay? Sorry for joining late, mate. The bank here is pissing me off. They're no letting me unlock my online banking. Oh, that sucks. So it looked like price is coming back up again. That's crazy. Are we gonna get a break and retest of this zone, or are we just coming back in that range? Let's see if this safety net hold. Again, guys, if you just joined in and you didn't smash the like button, bam, smash it good. And again, if you didn't subscribe yet, make sure you subscribe. So activate notifications so you'll know next time I go live. And the next time I go live is actually tomorrow night. Yeah, tomorrow night for Friday. Forex talk over beer. Yeah, boy. Simon, if the price went back to the zone, would it be a fake out? Yes. Correct. That's what you call a fake out. When it breaks the zone and come back into it, fake out. Like this one here, fake out, right? Came back here. If it comes back here, fake out, right? If it comes back here, that's fine. Just got to wait for the next candle because it might be a break, retest, and go. On the 1 hour, it looks like if price close here, it's gonna play the range, but it could be a break and retest. Exactly, yes. Right on it, Rages. Let's see, Malik, strong rejection level. Oh yeah, no one goes for me. I was thinking break and retest on 30 minutes, Patrick. Yep, possible. Yep, very possible. Like I said, we need to wait for this next candle. Is 151 the top of the golden zone fib retracement? Is 151 the top of the golden zone? Let's see. Yeah, it's the beginning of the golden zone right here. Let's put it on H1. Actually, it's going to be from here to here. Actually, there is no retracement. Let's see. Is there a retracement here? Okay, so we have a retracement here. Okay, perfect. So now it's going to be from there to there. Yep, so 151 is the top of the golden zone. Yes, correct. 1H1. Actually, let's identify that. Good catch, Jason. Good catch, Jason. Oops.
Thank you.
Oh, here we go, Nuno. Now I see your chart. Perfect. So let's take a look. Here we go. So this is Nuno's chart. Trade idea for GA 4 hours. Ducktail setup in H4. If H4 close under support, yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, to retest this low here to the left. Yeah, that would make sense. But I'm expecting, to be honest, G to react to this area here and start pushing back up. If you look on the daily, I think we are at the safety net, if I'm not wrong. We're just past this golden zone now. So if price start pushing up, we're gonna be in that daily golden zone. Because I mean, G is still bullish, right? This is a retracement down for the bullish movement. Are you gonna get a triple bottom? Maybe. So this 1 hour is gonna close in 5 minutes. Ah. Oh, Malik, it was also on your chart. I didn't realize. Yeah, you're right. You're right, man. Got the H4 retracement. Good one. Good catch, guys. Oh, I didn't watch those on Discord. Sorry, guys. This is Brian. H4. Sell area. Daily. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Nice. That was from Mark. Sorry, guys. I thought I muted myself. Let's see. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And this is going to be the 4-hour close. And look like we're going to come down to this H4 golden zone at least. Okay, so 9 o'clock, I mean, sorry. So 1 hour just closed, 4 hour closed. So gold, 1 hour bearish, closed right at this H1 support, H4 close, doji-ish. Wow, that's crazy. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ 1 hour closed bearish, rejecting major QP. 30-minute close close doji bullish, and 4 hour close bearish, right? So now if we see a nice wick up on this 4 hour and start to come down and break that low, there's going to be a good chance for price to continue down. But if we do form a nice support around this major QP, I mean, we can expect price to push up now, right? Yes, Jasmine, it will be good for a sell, but you want to make sure it break the H4 low, but I will add that you need to break this support here. Well, actually, there's no support, sorry, on H4, so yes. But be careful because H1 right here is pretty strong. So it's a major QP, but there's a support right there. So you got to make sure, you know. So with a big tail, yes. With a big tail up and coming down, breaking the low, yeah, you can expect a lot of power to continue down and break that zone. Yeah, for GA now, if you do break this major QP and close under on the next 30-minute, might gonna take a dogtail setup. Not me, but you might want to take a dogtail setup or a break and retest, right? But it looked like it's gonna push up now. It's gonna reject this 89,000, I'm pretty sure. Safety net is right around here on the fib level. If this thanks sir, your streams are quite helpful. Oh, thank you very much. This is the goal, man. This is the goal to help some people. And yeah. So don't be shy, guys, if you have any questions. Yeah, and spread the word, man. Spread the word. Yeah, we're gonna stay maybe another 5 minutes, see what's going on. Gold is coming down. The previous H4 closed right at the safety net though. It looked like you got a break and retest here on gold. Gold is wild. Oh, good jump, Simon. Simon got a sell on gold. Nice. Good one. Very good job. What job are you taking with you to work today? Today, none, because I have a lunch with the customer. So yeah, today none. Cannot leave it in the car. You know, with this temperature, it's way too hot. So yeah. So no dogs gonna come work with me today. Break of 15 minutes. I went to DD, but it was fine for 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that's good. Good job, Simon. Very good, my friend. Very good.
Thank you, coach. It was a bit dangerous. This is why I didn't code it, because it's a rejection area. Now we may see gold going up again. So, but I was so quick just to secure as quick as possible.
All right, guys. So I guess it's gonna be time for me to go. Get ready. Let's see if you have any last question here. Let's see. Did I take a look at this? Oh yes, we did. Brian, 151 target 2. Excellent. Nice trade, Brian. Very good.
Thanks.
Strong rejection. Close. I was thinking breaking retest. What about support form on H1? Yes. Yes, if support is formed on H1, it would be nice, but I mean, don't forget, you got this shit area that you need to go through. So now you're gonna put a lot of expectation and for this NYSC candle to break this zone. So that would be the play, you know, putting. But you need this to close engulfing, right? And if it closes engulfing, it's closing back in that range. Because it can also be a break and retest on a lower time frame here on 30 minutes. It can be break, retest, wait for the next candle. So gotta wait and see. All right, guys. So it's gonna be one of the two options. It's gonna be either a break and retest for sells. If we do have a nice engulfing support, maybe with lower risk, you know, because I mean, coming up, you got this shit zone, right? So you don't want to be full risk on this. So that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give a like to the stream before leaving. That'll be very appreciated. And I'll see you tomorrow night at Forex Talk over here, 6 p.m. Eastern. Thank you very much. See ya.